Hi there, I'm Lee, Deep in Cleaning. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today we've got a small end of tenancy clean of a one-bedroom apartment. It's the kitchen and the oven, which is really grotty. We'll get straight onto that first. A small shower room and then a single bedroom, which has got a pretty rotten carpet in. So yeah, I'll spin the camera around in a second, get cracking with the oven. Then I'll probably show you the carpet being cleaned, before and afters at the end, and all my details are right at the end of this video. So if anything is of interest to you, carpets, upholstery, hard floor cleaning, ovens and end of tenancy cleaning, my name's Lee. Give me a call and I'll speak to you then. Cheers. Right, so here's the oven hob and extractor that I've got to deal with today. Extractor unit, not too bad. It's not as bad as I thought it would be considering how bad this oven is, but you can certainly see there's a certain amount of grease build up on the underside of the extractor unit, and obviously the grill itself needs a good clean. The hob top, not too bad. Give that a clean and wipe down, but here's where the problems start. If you look at the oven here, you can see I've put a light on inside, but there's the door. You can see the grease and grime there. If you pull it down, all across the glass there, you've got a build-up of dirt and filth and food. So we'll have to deal with that. Going into the oven, we've got a really grotty pan that needs dealing with. The racks themselves, yeah, they're filthy. And then finally, inside the oven itself, you can see there all the build-up of dirt, filth and food. Right, so yeah, let's get cracking. Right, a bit of an update. We're sort of probably a third of the way through. You can see there, that's the glass from the door, which obviously we take out. This side I've just obviously, well, yeah, got to clean. But this side's had the first sort of clean on it. You can see it's much better. Got to give it a rinse down and a proper polish. But yeah, you can see what it was and what it is, and it's going to brighten up from there. And if we go across to the oven itself, I've done the preliminary clean. That fan, I'd normally take it off, but it's fixed. So I'm going to have to work on that where it is. But you can see down the sides here, it's much better than it was. Just got the second coat of degreaser on, just working its magic. Give that 10 or 15 minutes. And then we'll get the oven finished off. Yeah, all good. Right, so the oven's done. You can see there from the front, all nice and clean. You can see my card just in through there, through the glass, and obviously my reflection through all the shiny glass finish. The door that was disgusting before is all now nice and clean. You can see in the oven there, light's a bit bright, but all the racks that were black, nice, shiny chrome. Lovely. Right, here's the carpet. As you can see, it's minging. You can see all the stuff that's on the surface there. It's pretty rotten. There's a very dark area just here, which you can pick it up on the camera, but it's filthy. It's just really grey as opposed to the sort of dark beige, sort of brown colour. But it's all these marks here that are going to be the issue. Loads of stains, and if they're grease, makeup, whatever, but we'll chuck some chemical down on it and get it. That's a pretty bad one there. What we've got there, that's got a bit of red in that. Could be blood. Not sure. We won't touch that without gloves. Anyway, so yeah, that's the carpet we've got to do. Get the new shark to give it a good pre-clean with a hoover, and then we'll crack on. lovely nice stain there as well. So yeah, let's get cracking and back in a second. Right, carpet's all done. Hopefully you'll be able to see it's quite a difference there. I've just got to rake it. You've got all the lines across the back there. I'll rake that shortly, but if you remember, all sort of around here, loads of little black marks. There's still two here. They're actually burns. They're not going to come out the carpet, and whatever that was, just there, that's not shifting. But other than two little spots there and two spots here, it's all gone. We've had that big mark there. You can just about see a bit of shadow in there of it. But as it dries, that will lighten up and hopefully be less visible. But it's certainly better than it was. That's some kind of burn mark. You can see that's what it, yeah, some sort of burns. That can't be dealt with. The big stain that was here, all gone. So yeah, generally it's now livable, and the owner hasn't got to throw it out, I don't think, which is what they were considering to do. So yeah, brilliant. Cheers.